Okay guys, I wanted to give a video tutorial just explaining the expectations for your homework tonight. Go ahead and click into our class period, click into digital sessions, and click into Unit 1. Okay, up here you're going to see the Unit 1 calendar. Realize this is tentative. It could change if we need to, but this gives you an idea of the pace, when our first quiz is and when our first test is, okay? Now notice I'm going to update this portion of CTLS every single day. So today you see our synchronous session, which we've already taken care of. Now you're on to the asynchronous portion of today, which is like your homework. So first you're gonna click here, log into Edpuzzle, where you are going to take notes on the 1.1 flipped lesson. If you like guided notes and you wanna print them off, click here, print, and then use that for your guided notes for today. Okay, once you've taken notes, you're gonna click here and print your practice problems. If for some reason you don't have access to a printer, you need to clearly label your work on another sheet of paper or on your own sheet of paper, and then you can submit that as your work for the day. You're gonna use your document scanner, take a picture. Once you have that ready to go, you're gonna go to the Lesson Assignments tab. Then you're gonna click into 1.1 worksheet. You're gonna click this little button that says assigned. Okay, then you're gonna see the directions repeat. Here's the PDF if you wanna access it that way. You're gonna add an attachment. So send your PDF in, add it as an attachment, and then submit your response, okay? That takes care of those practice problems. And the last thing I'll mention is you can click here to access Flipgrid and continue to meet and respond to more of your classmates. Remember, you need to respond to at least 4 classmates in order to receive 100 for today's participation grade. If you have any questions or need help, you can click on this link to get into my virtual office today. And let's see, for honors geometry, the virtual office hours are 2:30 to 3:30. So click here, you'll pop up inside my virtual office and I can help you out with anything you need help with. All right, thanks guys.